Good morning. Here we have Renault Megane. It's on a 52 plate, 1.6, a Fidji. It's a 5-door version in metallic silver. No rust whatsoever on the car. We walk around. It's just had a 12-month MOT, which has sailed through a 12-month MOT, so you're fine for another year. So a lap of the car, then I think we'll head inside. But it's all straight, all clean. No parking dents, no noticeable scratches. A slight mark on the indicator there, but nothing major. Okay, let's open up. Oh, it's locked. Help if I unlocked it. There we go. So it's quite a well-spec'd car. This, it's not like the bottom of the range specifications. It's got a central leather armrest. It's got all the half leather interior as well. 5-speed manual gearbox, front electric windows, electric mirrors. We pop inside. Right. We've got the controls for the audio on the side. So volume up, volume down. You can mute it. You can flick through the radio stations as well as a toggle wheel just behind there. Dash, nothing much to say there really. It's got the now a lot of these up here, the pixels actually fade out, but this one's good. It shows the radio station. If we put that on there, so I don't have my seatbelt on, which is why that light's showing. Door's still open, which is obviously why that light's showing. But it's 12 degrees outside, which it shows. 20 past 10 in the morning. And then if I put the radio on, the radio station will come up there as well. Like I say, in quite a few of those, the pixels go. Quite a few of these Meganes. So it's all very clean and tidy inside. Electric window over there as well. CD player. Looks to be missing the ashtray, but again, I've only just noticed that, so something else to be mindful of, I suppose. Nothing major. If we swivel around to the back. It's got another central armrest for the passengers at the back as well. Like I say, it's quite well spec'd. It's half leathers. Interior is very clean for the age. Right, we'll start it up. Oops. Set the windscreen wipers off. There we go. So there we go. There's the engine's on. Right. What lights have we got up? Well, we've got the handbrake light, because the handbrake's on. Petrol light, because again it needs petrol. The service light's on, but we've just serviced it, but I'm not sure how to reset that light. So I'm sure there's probably a YouTube video out there to do it. I don't know, maybe pressing the brake, clutch, holding that thing in the middle there for 5 or 10. I'm not sure. So have a look into that and find out how to reset that. And then the only other light that's on is the airbag light. But if you know BMW 3 Series, they've got the same thing. Well, I guarantee nearly every 3 Series and 5 Series have the airbag light on. That's because the resistor under one of the seats tends to go. That's all it is. It's not, you know, the airbags aren't going to work, or they will work, but it's all it is a resistor which makes that light show up, and that's it. So nothing to be scared of, nothing to be frightened of. The airbags will still work, but like I say, it's just that resistor that needs replacing, and that's probably about £3 or £4. Really, it's a light. If it bothers you that much, then sort it out. But doesn't affect the way that the car drives whatsoever. So that's the explanation on that one. But let's pop the bonnet so you can have a look under there. As you can hear, it's always been serviced. I actually knew the last owner who owned this car, and actually a neighbour of mine. He was always outside on a Saturday, Sunday morning, with the car in the air, changing the oil or routine maintenance. We'll pop the bonnet up. There we go. Here's the engine. Nice and quiet. The engine's cold, and as an engine warms up, it's only ever going to get quieter. So there we go. It's had a battery recently as well. All clean and tidy under here. So put that bonnet down. We'll just go around the car park, I think, again. Go. Shut the bonnet. Oh, goodness. Right. Straight into reverse, no crunching. Reverse it back. Into first. There we go. Pulls well. I think the only thing to note here is the fact that in the last couple of days the bearings have got a little bit noisy. So I'm not sure which bearing it is. I think it could be the passenger rear bearing. But I don't know if you can really hear it on the video, but there's a little bit of a rumble there. I would advise getting this sorted, really. Like I say, it's come on in the last few days. There we go. I'm trying to get it so that you can hear it on the other side of the video. The reason I started doing these videos was because I got a lot of interest from people who were, up in Leeds, up in Sheffield, and were unable to sort of pop down, as it were, to have a quick test drive in the car. But that's so yeah, that's the situation with that. It's got air conditioning as well down there. Look. CD player, as I mentioned, electric windows, they'll work. So yeah, like I say, 12 months MOT. All it needs, like I say, is the bearings. Just need replacing, I think, or re-greasing. It sounds to me like it's the rear passenger, but bear that in mind when you place a bid. But I think if we just pop back out again. As you can hear, engine's still on, it's absolutely silent. There's the boot, spare wheel under there, and your tools actually sit under that as well, so you've got your jack and whatnot in there. But I think that's pretty much it. I'll have another walk round. So the exterior is in very good condition. Engine's quiet. Like I say, it's just had an oil change, and we replaced the oil filter on it as well. But like I say, it's just that service light. I'm sure there's a way of probably resetting that light so it doesn't come on for another 10,000 miles or whatever. But there we go. So any questions, drop us a message on eBay, and it's linked to my phone anyway, so I should be able to respond fairly quickly. But yeah, all the best for the bidding. Thanks very much. Bye now.